Today I'm going to explain another cool video to you that has a high win rate, but you need to learn all the points of this video completely and execute them without missing any and focus so that you can make a good profit from this strategy. This strategy works on all time frames and all symbols, but it has different win rates and you need to reach your desired rates based on your backtest. This strategy has worked well on Forex, crypto, or even the stock market. Once you have chosen your symbol, just set your time frame to 5 minutes and in the indicator tab search for High and Low Optimizer HLOTT. Select it and add it to your chart. Then go to its settings and make the changes like me. Based on these lines, traders can gain valuable information about the market trend, and it warns them where buyers and sellers are likely to have more powerful presence. This indicator consists of two blue and red lines and an area between these two lines, which are actually our critical points for entering our trades. If the price candles are between these two lines, traders should realize that they should not take any action and not open any trades until the price candles cross these two lines. When the price candles cross the blue line upwards and pass it, we realize that a bullish breakout has occurred and we can place our buy orders in these areas. In another case, if the price candles cross the red line downwards and pass it, a bearish breakout has occurred and we should look for positions to place a sell trade at these points. Now we need to add another indicator to our chart. To do this, go back to the indicator tab and search for MACD 4C. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, this indicator is added to the bottom of our chart and help us identify trends more precisely and know what trend the market is in. Now we have to go to its settings and change the fast moving average to 90 and the slow moving average to 180. And in the Style tab, make sure that the histogram is placed on the column in the plot section. This is a key indicator according to which we can distinguish weak signals from strong signals and filter them and understand where the market has a strong trend. When the histogram is green and the columns are above the zero line, we realize that the buyers had more power and we shouldn't look for sell orders at these points and we should only consider buy orders. And on the other hand, if the histogram is red and the columns are below the zero line, it indicates that the power of the sellers is more and only sell signals are valid for us, and we should consider them. Now that I have told you all the rules, we just need to look for buy and sell orders on our chart. For buy orders, wait for the candles to be inside the band and then wait for a bullish breakout like here when the price candles cross the blue line upwards. Then just check the MACD 4C indicator to give us a signal to enter the trade. Now that all the conditions have been met, we can place a buy order here and set our stop loss on the red line of the HLOTT indicator, and risk to reward ratio will be 1 to 1.5. Like here, the market completely hit the target. For sell orders, wait for the candles to be inside the band and then wait for a bearish breakout like here. Then just check the MACD 4C indicator to give us a signal to enter the trade. At this point, we can use the upper line of the HLOTT indicator for the stop loss. And risk to reward ratio will be 1 to 1.5. And wait for the market to reach our take profit and close the trade with a profit. Thank you very much for watching the video until the end. Don't forget to ask your question in the comments so I can answer them. See you in the next video.